Today we're taking a closer look at the Tuya F3 Pro, a multifunction Zigbee smart control module. Let's start with the hardware itself. The Tuya F3 Pro is a compact in-wall module designed to be mounted behind a wall panel or switch. It is built for a standard 86 by 86 mm wall box, which is important to check before installation. The module features multiple input and output terminals, allowing it to be configured for different use cases. Despite its small size, it is designed for stable operation and continuous use in smart home environments. Communication is handled via Zigbee, which means low latency, low power consumption, and reliable mesh networking. For Zigbee communication, a Tuya-compatible Zigbee gateway or coordinator is required. Now let's move on to the functionality, starting with an important technical detail: dimming. The Tuya F3 Pro does not function as a traditional AC phase cut dimmer. Instead, dimming is performed by sending Zigbee control commands. This means the F3 Pro can dim Zigbee lights paired within the Tuya ecosystem, or Tuya-compatible smart lights that support brightness control. If a standard non-smart bulb is connected, it will only support on and off switching. Beyond dimming, the F3 Pro supports multiple operating modes: smart switch mode, digital dimmer control via Zigbee, curtain or motor control for opening and closing blinds or curtains. All configuration is done using the Tuya Smart app. Within the app, you can assign functions, configure button behavior, and create scenes, schedules, automations. For advanced setups, the Tuya F3 Pro integrates seamlessly with Home Assistant via Zigbee. Once paired, the device can operate locally without relying on cloud services. This allows full control over automations, dashboards, and integrations with other Zigbee devices. To summarize, the Tuya F3 Pro is a flexible Zigbee control module designed for modern smart homes. With support for switches, Zigbee-based dimming, and curtain control, plus compatibility with both Tuya and Home Assistant, it's a strong choice for advanced installations.